Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to check your computer's system information. So guys, if you want to check your computer system information, firstly tap here system information. You will see all the information like this: name of your computer system and BIOS, system SKU, system type, system model, system manufacturer, system name, and you will more information scroll down. The system information to type here, and second one you will find hardware resources. Click this plus icon, so you will find all the hardware. If you want to know about memory, so click this one, so you will find status like this: memory status is the okay, here is the resource and device and components. Click this icon if you want to more effects like multimedia, input, model, network, storage, and components. For example, information about a network. Click this one, click on adapter. You will see adapter type, installer PNP device ID, etc. And last one, software environment. So click on this icon. System drives, environment, variables, print jobs. So by this simple method, file all the information. Will check your computer system. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel